Hey, it's Norm Bond here. Listen, the interest in e-commerce is one of the hottest trends going. If you have physical products, digital products, a service, or even an offline store, you need to be checking out e-commerce, because if you're not, then your competitors are. Every day we hear about Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Amazon, in terms like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and online sales. But how do you get started? There's so much information out there. Who can you trust? What are the challenges? And how can you avoid wasting your precious time and money? Come on, that's always the big problem. So I did my research and found an online course, eCom Profits. Yeah, I like the name because we all want profits. I liked a lot of things about the course. It's a short series of 7 practical videos, and each one is under 8 minutes. Bada boom, bada bing. You'll hear what is e-commerce, what are business models, how can you create your store, what does it take to get more sales, how do you market your online store. You can watch it in one sitting, but take a lot of notes because the information is powerful and actionable. Because it's video, you can learn at your own pace. You get the big picture explanation and the day-to-day tactical insight. That's what you need. You'll even learn how you can have your own store up and running in a few hours after you complete the course. All of this for less than $30. That's barely the cost of a good dinner in most cities. Put this information into action, because that's what I did, and that's what other newbies just like you who never launched an e-com store are doing right now. They had questions, they got answers, and now they're off to the races, and you can be too. Check it out now, right here.